German environmental groups filed objection against Tesla Gigafactory permit for Tesla Giga Berlin, and ironically, this objection is coming from environmental groups. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell and give us thumbs up, please. That would be greatly appreciated. So Joey Klender has the details from Teslarati saying Tesla is ironically facing pushback from environmental groups in Germany who claim that the automaker's Giga Berlin factory, which has not started manufacturing cars yet, will produce poisonous gases that will escape from the plant. The claims are strange and ironic, especially considering Tesla is one of the most environmentally conscious companies globally and without a doubt the most earth-friendly in the automotive sector, notes Joe Klender from Teslarati. Friends, in late 2019, Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced that the company would begin manufacturing cars in Europe and announced Giga Berlin, making cars in Europe a highly popular region for electric vehicles. Tesla has still performed relatively well, even though it doesn't have a current active production plant in Europe. Since then, Tesla has erected one of the most sophisticated and advanced vehicle production facilities in the world, where electric vehicle batteries, newly engineered version of the Model Y crossover, and a world-class paint shop will be located at Giga Berlin. Sadly, despite Tesla's production of only electric cars, environmental groups have not stopped harassing the automaker. And that's the interesting thing, that this harassment mostly comes from environmental groups. A new report from Reuters claims that two German environmental entities have filed objections against provisional permits that the Brandenburg Environmental Authority granted to Tesla earlier this year. First of all, before even continuing, I would like to ask and see if these environmental groups have also filed objections currently on the legacy automakers in Germany who make cars with gas. Now, Tesla has received several preliminary approvals to perform construction processes in Berlin, anything from installing production machinery to solidifying foundations for the battery plant requires approval from the Brandenburg Environmental Authority. Recently, Teslarati reported that Tesla submitted an application to produce EV cells at an on-site battery factory. If approved, Tesla would be able to mass produce its cells in Germany, a move that would greatly increase the efficiency of Tesla's supply chain, considering the first 46 AB battery cells that go into Giga Berlin manufactured vehicles will be shipped from Northern California. However, the environmental groups who have been identified as NABU, NABU, and Grüne Liga are pushing back against Tesla's approval. The groups are upset about the production of the batteries, according to Reuters. So here's what they say. The objection is based on the claim that Tesla has not sufficiently clarified what precautions it will take to prevent highly poisonous gas from escaping from the factory that the objection document showed. This was from Reuters. In the past, Tesla has brushed up with environmental groups in Berlin who have voiced various concerns regarding the electric car plant's impact. The impact of Giga Berlin factory. One group early on the Giga Berlin construction project said that it was concerned about the water usage at the plant and whether contamination of the groundwater would occur. Recent projections indicate that Tesla will use significantly less water than previously estimated. I reported about that, and it's thanks to Tesla's new way of producing its batteries. For now, there is no new word on how far the environmental group's appeal will go, but they plan to go to court if state authorities fail to file for a permit suspension by June 16. Tesla has saved over 17.5 million tons of CO2 from entering the Earth's atmosphere through its vehicles alone. However, the environmental groups still ignore this fact, steadily thinking about the emissions that are produced from manufacturing cars. Now, does anyone know what type of emissions are produced are released by producing gas cars? I would like to know about that. If you would like to let me know, friends, in the comment section. There are emissions involved in the production of Tesla's vehicles. Still, after a customer takes delivery of his or her vehicle, the Tesla will emit zero pollution due to its environmentally conscious powertrains. So, having said this, there is another piece of news. Hangelsberg's local advisory board has reservations about the new industrial park near Tesla in Grünheide. Many residents of Hangelsberg, a town near Grünheide, believe that they will be drawn into a Tesla suction and that an industrial area will be set in front of their noses. Now, the plans for this have been presented by the investor. The mayor is trying to calm down. RBB reports, friends, from Brandenburg Public Radio, saying Hamburg-based ECE Group plans to invest around 100 million euros in a former army property near the Hangelsberg train station. ECE has already acquired the approximately 35 hectares area, which belongs to the Hamburg Odo Versand and is run by a son of the company founder. Now, the company is working on a corresponding development plan. Various companies have been using the area with old large warehouse and workshops as a storage location since the 1990s. On Thursday, ECE representatives presented the project to the Hangelsberg Local Advisory Board. From 2024, the company wants to rent the planned buildings there to supermarkets, small and medium-sized companies, and universities. The planners are also hoping for inquiries from Tesla suppliers for the site, for example, from logistics. In its so-called Green Work Park, ECE will then also set up e-charging stations, cycle paths, and solar panels. The large community in Grünheide, to which Hangelsberg belongs, wants to have twice as large an area checked in planning process that is now beginning. This is met with skepticism among residents. So as you can see, Tesla Giga Berlin is facing ironical objections from environmental groups, and a large investor from Hamburg, which is planning to invest about 100 million euros, is also experiencing objections from Hangelsberg. Almost 100 residents had come to the local advisory board meeting in the Müggelspree-Halle. Some Hangelsberg residents expressed that they did not trust the project, fear that the community and or the investor were keeping their back doors open because the size of the commercial area is one thing, the other is the cited phrase industrial area. However, ECE stated that industry today is more than smoking chimneys that would not reach Hangelsberg anyway. After all, you advertise with the slogan Green Work Park, according to Serkan Aydemir from the ECE group. So some residents fear that this will be a purely industrial area and that it will be twice as large as the old NVA site. Others have concerns that dangerous substances could be stored in Hangelsberg that are not allowed to be found in large quantities on the Tesla site 8 kilometers away in the drinking water protection area. So what ECE is trying to do, I guess, is because a lot of people will come to the area thanks to Tesla, they want to build a good infrastructure, bicycling paths and stores, malls and things like that. So but local people are concerned that this may be more than just bicycle areas and green park, but maybe some industrial park. Well, friends, let me know what your thoughts are about Tesla Giga Berlin's new objections. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Give us thumbs up, like this video please, and share in social media. You will greatly help us. Have a great day and God bless you everyone. See you soon.